Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice Olympiad problem that is a squared plus 2ab plus b is equal to 22. Here we have to find the value of a and b, and remember that a and b belongs to positive integer, which means that a is greater than 0 and b is also greater than 0. Now we have to start our solution here. First of all, we are going to write our problem, which is a squared plus 2 times a times b plus b is equal to 22. Now here we see that from second and third term, if we just take b is common, so we will get that a squared plus taking b is common, so we have 2a plus 1 is equal to 22. Now if we multiply 2 on both hand side, so multiplying by 2 on both sides, we get 2 times a squared is 2a squared plus 2 times b times 2a plus 1 is equal to 2 times 22. Here we have 2a squared, and if we add and subtract a here, adding a and subtracting a, so plus 2 times b times 2a plus 1 is equal to 2 times 22 is 44. Now we have here, if we just take a as common, so we have 2a plus 1 and it is minus a plus 2 times b times 2a plus 1 is equal to 44. Now here we have, if we just write that a times 2a plus 1 and changing the position of this expression, we have plus 2 times b times 2a plus 1 and it is minus a is equal to 44. Now we see that this 2a plus 1 and it is also 2a plus 1, so it is a common factor, 2a plus 1. Then inside bracket we get a plus 2b, and here we have minus a, which is equal to 44. Now if we multiply by 2 on both hand side, so multiplying by 2 on both side, so we get 2 times 2a plus 1 times a plus 2b and minus 2 times a, and here we get 2 times 44 is 88. Now here if we just subtract minus 1 on both hand side, so subtracting this 1, subtracting 1 on both side, so we get, here we have 2 times 2a plus 1 times a plus 2b minus 2 times a and subtracting 1 minus 1 here, and also 88 minus 1. Now we have 2 times 2a plus 1 times a plus 2b, and here we have that if we just take minus 1 is common, so we have 2a minus times minus is plus 1, that is equal to 87. Now our next step will be, if we multiply this 2 with this term, so we have 2a plus 1 times 2 times a is 2a plus 2 times 2 is 4b, and here we have minus 1, which is 2a plus 1, that is equal to 87. Now this 2a plus 1 and this 2a plus 1 is a common factor, so we are going to write 2a plus 1 times, here we get 2a plus 4 times b minus 1 is equal to 87. Now we have two factors, that is 2a plus 1 and 2a plus 4b minus 1. is equal to 87. Here we see that this 87 can also be factorized, like 87 is equal to 1 times 87 is equal to 87, and similarly 3 times 29 is equal to 87, and 29 times 3 is equal to 87, and similarly 87 times 1 is 87. These are four cases that is equal to 87. So here we know that a is greater than 0, similarly b is greater than 0. So if a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0, then this term 2a plus 1 is smaller than this term. So 2a plus 1, it is actually smaller than 2a plus 4 times b minus 1. So here we have to just take those factors in which first term is smaller than second term. So it is valid factor for this problem. So it is our case 1. And here first term is actually smaller than second one, so it is also valid. But when we see these two cases, it is rejected because first term is greater than next one. So these two cases are considered here. Now we have two cases, we have to solve these two cases. So here our case 1 is, that is 2a plus 1 times 2a plus 4 times b minus 1 is equal to, here we have 1 times 87. It is our case number 1. Similarly our case 2, that is 2a plus 1 times 2a plus 4b minus 1 is equal to 3 times 29. Now we are going to solve these two cases for the values of a and b. So from our case number 1, that is 2a plus 1, this factor, smaller factor, is equal to smaller one, which is 1, and similarly 2a plus 4 times b minus 1 is equal to 87. Here we have 2a is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0. So if we just divide 2 on both hand side, this 2 is cancelled out, we get a is equal to 0. Here we have the value of a is 0. Now if we just put this value here, we get 2 times a is 0 plus 4 times b minus 1 is equal to 87. So here 2 times 0 is 0, we get 4 times b is equal to 87. Shifting this one, we get plus 1. So 4 times b is 88, and dividing 4 on both hand side, cancelling 4 with 4, we get the value of b is 22. Here we have our first pair, that is a and b is equal to 0 and 22. But in given problem, we know that a and b belongs to positive integer. So a and b belongs to positive integer. It means that a is greater than 0 and b is also greater than 0. Here we see that b is greater than 0, but value of a is less equal to 0. So it is rejected. It is rejected. Now we don't use this pair here. So solving our case number 2 here, our case 2 is 2a plus 1 times 2a plus 4b minus 1 is equal to 3 times 29. Now 2a plus 1 is equal to 3. According to system of equation, we have 2a plus 4b minus 1 is equal to 29. Here we have 2a is equal to 3 minus 1, we get 2, and value of a will be 1. Value of a will be 1. Now if we put this value of a here, we get 2 times a is 1 plus 4 times b minus 1 is equal to 29. Here we get 4 times b is equal to 29. This minus 1 will be plus 1, and minus 2. And this plus 2 will be minus 2 here. So we get 4 times b is equal to 29 plus 1 is 30. Minus 2 is 28. Dividing 4 on both hand side. So this 4 is cancelled, and here we get b is equal to 4 times 7 is 28. So we have second pair of values, which is 1 and 7, and these are valid values, and we get our answer is 1 value of a and value of b is 7. So it is our final solution of this problem. Now we have to verify these values for this problem. So for verification, we have to recall our problem, that is a squared plus 2 times a times b plus b is equal to 22. Here we have a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 7. Putting these values, we get 1 squared plus 2 times 1 times 7 plus 7, is it equal to 22? Now 1 squared is 1 plus 2 times 7 is 14 and plus 7, is it equal to 22? And when we add 14 plus 7 is 21 plus 1 is 22 is equal to 22. So our left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence this pair of values, which is 1 and 7, it is our final answer. Now we are going to just review our problem step by step here. I hope you have really enjoyed this video. So here we have solved the value of a and b, where value of a is 1 and value of b is 7. So it is our final answer. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.